All right, today's video is sponsored by Citrus Safe, and so we're cleaning up our smoker right here. And what you do is you take your Citrus Safe, spray it on, and here's your Citrus Safe right here. Available at most stores, including Walmart. All right, so you spray it on,
Gotta have the hat.
and you got to wear your Citrus Safe hat, of course. And then just take a damp towel, fresh damp towel, and just wipe it down, and you're ready to go. Oh man, this is going to be good. So when you really want a nice clean grill before starting, check out our Citrus Safe right here. You take a look at that, Joe. Right here.
Ooh, backwards.
There we go. Citrus Safe. Again, thumbs up.
That's it.
All right, let's get those ribs going. All right, we're going to be smoking up some ribs in our Drevos smoker right here. Oh man, I'll tell you what. So we've got what, 4 or 5 racks of ribs, and so we're going to hit it with the mustard. Most of you guys know all about that, right? Use your favorite rub, right? We're using our pork privilege today. Very cool. And these are spare ribs, but they're cut St. Louis style. All right. Cutting them like that makes these spare ribs look real pretty. Right there, right? Very cool. Now you can prep these if you want a little bit, but we find it's just as easy as just wash them up good. Throw some mustard on there. Throw your favorite seasoning. Oh yeah, real easy to do. Now if you've never done ribs before, don't sweat it, don't worry about it. Everybody has their own way of doing ribs and they all come out real good. Don't anybody kid you. I'll tell you what. Oh yeah, that smells good. Now you can see we're leaving the membrane on in this case because we're going to hang these ribs, and actually most rib houses do not remove the membrane. All right, so there's a 50-50 thought on that. Some barbecue associations want you to remove the membrane. You can do it the way you want. In fact, when the ribs are done, there's nothing like sucking on that membrane, right? You know, that charred, oh, that great feeling. All right, so anyway, real easy to do. All right, very cool. And here's our Drevos smoker. You got to check these out. Drevos International. This one was custom made for us. All right. And let me show you. We can smoke maybe 125 pounds in here. Okay. Cool. It's beautiful. And set it and forget it. We have a digital control panel here. We can dial anything in. It's loaded up with recipes too. All right. So if you need some help on that. And man, I'll tell you what, check out Drevos International, and they'll custom make one for you. Plenty of them in here. All right. So we got it set at 245. Our real temperature is 147, as you can see. And so we'll bring this up to temperature and load it up with some ribs. And here's Smokey Joe, our rib master today, our pit master. Prepping them up. Boy, you smell good, Joe. Man, what is it? A rub?
Must be that
Must be.
pork privilege.
Pork privilege. There we go. Now this is a classic way of using the yellow mustard for prepping your ribs. But like I was saying, there are a million ways to do your ribs. Don't fret. Oh yeah. Now you can do this beforehand and let them sit in the refrigerator for a few hours. The seasoning will, of course, get into the meat a little bit more. Very cool. All right. Oh yeah. All right. Yep. So now we got a hook. And we'll go the second bone down, or even the first one is fine. Yeah, either or. There we go. Perfect.
Is that second or third?
That might be the third. You just get it where you want it.
Got the bacon?
Yeah. Yeah. There we go. This is the hard part. Hooking them.
Hook 'em and don't hook yourself.
It's going to take, it'll probably take about 4 hours to do this. And of course, some of you know, you can cook these like a pork chop and have them done in about 45 minutes. Just bring them up to temperature, and you got the greatest pork chop ever. You just substitute pork ribs. But of course, if you do it low and slow, give it some time, 4 hours, at about 250, 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and that will further tenderize the meat. Okay. Very cool. There we go. Real easy to do. Cool. All right, so they're hooked. Here we go. We've got these rails in here. And I'll just hook them up just like that. Oh, man, it's gonna be good. There we go. Get them right in there. Woo-wee. We're eating good tonight, Martha. Look at it. All right. Ribs are smoking. Just happen to have a ham here. It's one of these spiral type hams. We're going to throw it in there. This was left from the holidays, so we're just going to smoke it up a little bit.
Mustard?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah.
A little mustard, if you want. Just spread it on, and you do whatever you want. These are for ham sandwiches later. Of course, these will cook. This will cook real quick because it's essentially already smoked. We're just going to freshen it up in our smoker. Have some snacking later. Oh yeah, baby. There we go. There we go. Cool. So there we go. Let's drop it in the smoker, and we'll have some snacking. Oh yeah, take a look at that. Ready to go. Perfect.
All right.
All right. How those? Oh yeah. Boy, it's dark out here, but I think we're getting a good shot of this. Look at that. I'd say that ham is there too. So we got a little tart cherry juice and water. The cherry is going to give it a little more color. Look at that. Are you kidding me? So we've been running a temperature of, I don't know if you can see it on there.
Yeah, about 222.
Yeah, she just dropped right now.
Around
Right.
220 area.
Yep.
222.
We're doing about 240. Oh man, these are gonna be good. Right. Inspired by Ron Popeil. Set it and forget it. That's what makes it real convenient. You really don't have to tend your fire at all. All right.
Keep spraying leaf.
Yep. Oh yeah. Cool. Keep them sprayed. All right. See all these ribs. Oh, take a look at that. Darn. Darn. That's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. See, that ham is done too. We'll pull that out in a minute. All right. Well done, gents. Not long to go.
Oh, no, that's gonna be for bloopers. Yeah. That's a good question.
All right.
Put the fire going here.
Gotta eat some of that ham. Cool. Perfect. That'll be for.
Dude, this thing is so badass.
Yeah, right.
Look at this.
Dude, we gotta put like 2 of them.
There we go.
Living with accident. All the time.
There we go. Could you turn that music down? For me? All right, look at that. So, what are we gonna hit it with here? What do you got?
Whiskey sauce on there. That thick piece right there was on the
There
chin.
we go. For those who care. All right, gonna check this out. We got the apple spice rum, and it's got the real rum in it. So, we'll baste and wrap a little bit. Oh yeah. There we go. All right. Go back in here.
Where's the doorman?
Doorman.
Doorman.
There we go.
Definitely not on my head.
Oh yeah. All right. Got that. So how about something other than that?
All right.
Here's your brewers here.
Yeah.
That's your beer brew, I think. Oh yeah. Now you can get these rubs at, sauces at Sobeys. Very cool. There we go.
That one I just put back in there. I want to put the probe
good.
into the fish pot.
Real easy to do. See, the doorman's ready this time.
Doorman! Doorman.
There we go. Slide that rack up there, the upper shelf. Let these guys rest a little bit. That one. Give it a little paint job.
There it goes.
Whoop. Uh-oh. Who's got a tongue? Let me see. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Where are the lights on that thing? Just that one?
Doorman.
Perfect. All right.
Look at the lights. Got lights
Yeah,
inside too.
Drevos. Look at that.
Did not know it had lights.
We did not know it had lights.
Jesus, now when we're out here at midnight, we're going to be able to see. Look at that. Perfect. All right. Well done. Right there.
Oh, dude. All right, we're gonna smoke a whole wild turkey.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna shoot the whole
Going
wild
to do it
turkey
for sure.
on video. We're gonna shoot it on video with that camera right there.
Yep.
Smoke it.
Yep.
Or shoot it. Bring it here. Brine it. And smoke it.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. And then brine it and then spat it. And they're like,
All right. Just got these out of the smoker. Look at that. You kidding me? All right, now we just pulled them out of the Drevos here.
Oh, yeah.
Nevertheless.
All right,
These are
gentlemen.
going to be the best ribs you've ever eaten in your life. Finish that.
Yep. We smoked a little over 4 hours. And we were at about 250, fluctuating a little bit because we kept opening up that door. But it smells so good. All right.
That's it.
So now, so this is where this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you. They're fresh from our Drevos International Smoker. You got to check these guys out. Oh man, here we go. Mm.
Are you kidding me?
Great flavor in that.
Reverse.
So, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pet, check out Drevos International and the BBQ Pit Boys.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Woo! Woo! Mm.
Happy spring, boys.
Mm-mm. There we go.
all right.
Oh yeah.